न्यूज़ 18 उर्दू ने सऊदी अरब के अल हरमैन रेलवे स्टेशन का जायजा लिया और उसे करीब से जानने की कोशिश की। ये ट्रेन जिद्दा से मक्का और मक्का से मदीना तक बहुत आरामदायक सफर कराती है, वो भी कम खर्च में। अगर आप मक्का या मदीना जाना चाहते हैं तो आप अल हरमैन ट्रेन के जरिए बहुत आसानी से कम खर्च में वहां पहुंच सकते हैं। देखें हमारी ये स्पेशल रिपोर्ट।
Haramain high speed train, which one is the fastest train in the world? The fastest train it's about 300 km per hour. It works in line length it's about 453 kilometers. From Mecca to Medina, we can go in a trip 2.25 hours. And from here Jeddah to Medina it's about 145 minutes, and from here to Mecca it's about 50 minutes. About the train, its capacity 417 seats, and in this season, Hajj season, we have a 35 train. In this season, we will have about 5,300 trip, which we will have capacity about 2,002,000 seats. Until now, from the 1st of Dhul-Qa'dah until now, we move about 800 passenger between all the station. That's everything about Haramain high-speed train.
Linked with Medina and Jeddah and Mecca. So if you came to the airport to Jeddah, the King Abdulaziz airport, you can take the train from the airport to Mecca, like near to Haram, like it's 5 minutes walking from Haram. So this is like give you an opportunity to go directly to Haram without going anywhere. And at the same time, if you can to get back to Medina, you can take the train from Mecca to Jeddah, from Jeddah to Al Medina, which is take like 3 hours or 2 hours.
And what is the fare?
What is the fare?
Tickets cost?
The ticket cost, I'm not sure. Maybe like a 25 riyal, I'm not sure actually, but it's like near to this price, like
25 from here to Makkah.
to Mecca. Yes.
And then
And
how can we do the?
But I'm not sure. Like
Yeah. Just an,
What is
just
the
an idea.
booking procedure? How do you?
you can do it online.
Online,
It's
yeah.
easy to do that.
Or they have an app. They have got an app.
They have app, and also they have like a website. I think
Yeah.
you can book your ticket.
Yeah.
on
What is the ticket cost from here to Medina? Around about 100.
No, it's like less than 100.
Less than 100.
Yeah.
Oh. Then that means it is affordable.
Yes.
Affordable
yes.
and comfortable.
Comfortable,
for
yeah.
everyone. This is the train. Yes.
Both comfortable and affordable.
Yes, and it will like take short time.
Yeah.
Like if by car from Mecca to Medina, it will take
4.5
like 4 hours.
Yeah.
And by train like 2 hours or something.
And for how many years it is in operation now? When was this train
5 years. now,
introduced?
5 years.
5 years, yeah, I think 5 years. It started like 5 years, and it's like efficient way to go to Mecca.
Efficient and comfortable.
Yeah, it's comfortable.
मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हैं, ये दरअसल अल हरमैन ट्रेन है जो कि आज़मीन हज को एक मकाम से दूसरे मकाम तक पहुंचाने के लिए बहुत अहम किरदार अदा करती है। इस ट्रेन को आप देख सकते हैं। इस ट्रेन का हम अभी सफ़र भी करेंगे और आपको दिखाएंगे इस ट्रेन की खुसूसियात क्या कुछ हैं और किस तरह से ये पूरा फंक्शन करती है। इसके बारे में मज़ीद तफसीलात भी हम आपको देंगे। डिटेल में इसके बारे में हम तमाम जानकारी आपके साथ साझा करेंगे।